Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute and I promise I'm not going to leave you guys for too long again. All right. So let's just get right into today's video. Before I continue, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. We need all the share. Let's keep pushing this platform to get all the visibility that it needs. So please do like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comments section. So, disclaimer, I am not an immigration expert. I'm not even an immigration officer. All I do is just a source for this kind of information to help my community. And also, I do have a Telegram account, which is in the bio of this platform. So, do well to check it out and join us on Telegram. So today is about Australia again. I know, right? So many countries like the UK are beginning to, close their doors on immigration. And that is why I am taking my time to show you other, you know, um, countries that are ready to sponsor you over to their country. So I also need to mention that Australia is the only continent that is a continent and a country, if you get what I mean. So, meaning that Australia is so large, Australia is massive when it comes to land, when it comes to land mass, when it comes to availability of jobs because of the size of the land mass. So that's what I'm talking about Australia with you today. So Australia 2025. Do you want to migrate out of your home country and you're confused on whether or not to try out Australia? What's the worst that can happen? You get there, if you don't like it, you leave. That's it. Nobody goes to a country and wants to, remain there when things are not working. So you go out there, check the country out. If you like it, you remain there. If you don't, then it's up to you. So this visa is the subclass 408, and I'm just going to run you through it. So two employers are going to be sponsoring you, and need I say that this is a temporary visa? I know, right? But it's worth it to give it a trial. So these companies I'm talking about today, the first one is the AVI, and AVI is simply Australian Volunteers International. So you want to go to Google and check them out while you apply to volunteer. So like I said, this employer is going to provide you with your accommodation, flight tickets, and there are over 1,000 slots for this visa. And this visa is for a duration of 12 months and it can be extended. So the second employer for this subclass 408 is the International Volunteer HQ. So you can check it out also on Google. So, like I said, so this is temporary visa for 12 months and it can be extended, meaning that when your 12 months duration is over, all you need to do is reapply or switch to another form of visa. Like I usually say, all you need to do is to get into the country and with time you figure your way out. So this is a temporary visa, no salary because it's a volunteer kind of job, so you won't be paid any salary. But however, that is not to say that you will not be given stipends. So you're going to be entitled to stipends, and these are in form of any money given to you by the employer, but not salary, in order for you to like feed and do basic stuff for yourself. If you ask me, this is a great opportunity to find your way into Australia while you try to navigate your path after your 12 months in order to secure a more permanent stay. I also need to mention that this particular visa does not lead to PR. PR is simply permanent residency. So this particular subclass 408 does not lead to PR. So this second employer, which is International Volunteer HQ, so H for house, Q for queen, HQ, is also another employer that is ready to give you this opportunity to come into Australia to work as a volunteer. Remember, flight ticket, accommodation is covered by this employer while you're also being paid stipend, which is very, very amazing if you ask me. So I also need to say again, you will not be paid salary. This is volunteering. So then you might ask yourself, so why are you talking about this? It takes for you to be inside a country for you to be able to know and access other pathways. Just like the charity visa I posted. By the way, if you've not checked out the charity visa I posted about the UK, it's also on this page. You need to check it out. So it's similar to that of the UK, but this is more amazing because I mean, like I said, UK is trying to close their doors on international workers. So why not give it a shot? So just in case you want to find out more about this subclass 408 type of visa, all you need to do is go into imi.homeaffairs.gov.au. I'm going to put it on the screen so that you're able to read. So this is like the official, government account for Australia. So I want to let you know that before you click on apply on any of these employers, I need to beg you or crave your indulgence that you should please be passionate about what you're applying for. If you know you have no passion, please do not go and embarrass yourself. Do not go and, close the pathway or close the doors for other people. Make sure that you are someone who is passionate about what you want to do over there in terms of the volunteering. Make sure you put in your best in your application. If you're confused about how to go about writing your CVs, I think I have a video as well in this channel. Just do well to check it out and be genuine in your application. So, like I said, all you need to do is give it your best shot, create your CV, and I've got a video about how to go about your CV and support statement just to back up your application. So, like I said, I'm not an immigration expert. I just do this for my community. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Emphasis on share, guys. If you want me to keep posting and giving you content back to back, because I know that many people in 2025 want to migrate before the end of December this year. So that's what my goal is, to keep posting at least once a week for you guys. So this is all I've got for today for Australia. So I'm just going to put up the names of these employers. The first one I said was AVI, which is Australian Volunteers International, and the second one, which is International Volunteer HQ, which is on Google, so you can actually check it out on Google. And I'm also going to tell you the official website where you can check out about this subclass 408 visa is on imi.homeaffairs.gov.au. So make sure you read about it, understand what it is, and do the needful, because you're not the only one applying. Thousands of people are also fighting for this slot, so you need to stand out, do the best that you can. So till I come your way again, guys, my name is Jenny, and all I do is share immigration information with you guys. Please share, guys, share. We need to, by now we should be heading to 1k subscribers, guys. So do well to like, share, subscribe, check out our Telegram group, and subsequently I'll be posting more videos. New Zealand, Malta, I've got a lot coming. So but I need to see your support me, guys, by sharing this video, and let's get the visibility out there. Bye, guys.